Labels. How labels are used. Labels are used by bookmarks, study pads, and personal notes. The Label Settings dialog shows a list of all labels. Add new labels by clicking the plus button. Change the color of a label by clicking the label icon. A label can have either an underline or background coloring style. Some label settings only apply to the current workspace. Favorite labels always appear in the Quick Select list. Auto-assign labels are automatically added to new bookmarks. Delete a label by clicking the trash can. But be careful, this will delete all notes associated with the label. Finally, the Remain label icon indicates which color the bookmark will have.
We hope you enjoy using our completely free Bible study app. Visit our website to discover how you can help us make it even better.